A chef from California named Jet Tila got a new Korean menu, so what if I try those new Korean chicken bites they have that is now available for a limited time only. I'm gonna try their chicken bites and let's see if it's good or not. Boom. That's what it looks. This is what it looks like, guys. And then let's go try it with ranch sauce. Ooh, it has seeds. This reminds me of a Korean fried chicken restaurant. Whoa. This is super spicy. Plus, it's good with ranch. I love Jet Tila's idea for their new menu items. Also, in my local Habit, they replaced normal lemonade with less sugar lemonade, Mountain Dew with mug root beer, and Diet Pepsi with Pepsi Zero Sugar. On the scale of 1 to 15, let's give this a 9.6 out of 15 because it's very spicy and is good with ranch. Thanks for watching, guys, and peace.